actually.
No, but right, and we're like,
When we're going from out into out.
Yeah, no, yeah. And you gotta do the sound though.
Oh my god, no, you have to do the sound.
Alright, right? What was that? No, what the fuck are you doing? What the? Joe. No, you did it.
Alright, ready? Ready?
Alright.
Oh my god.
Alright, do it again.
This is a 30-second video of us doing this.
Alright, go. Oh, we're back, boys. So last time we saw us, we were at the Pokies.
I got jeans.
Ow.
Oh my god, it's him.
Right.
I'm not him, bro.
Got 30 years old on.
Oh my god, why is he so smart?
Wait, cover.
That's alright.
It's just a thing.
Last time you saw us, we were at the Pokies.
This is what we do. This and so. Oh no, never mind.
I got a new car. Thanks, guys. Round of
This
applause.
is Kai, guys. This is his first
Yeah, the
time
reason
on
why I got the car is because of you guys subscribing, liking, turning your post notifications on. We just hit 1.1
Subscribers.
likes on the on an average video, and we have 40 views, and now we've just hit 10 subscribers.
How many subscribers do you actually have?
40.
Do you actually?
40 big ones. 400,000 big ones. Okay, so guys, get us to 4 million by the end of the year. That's the goal.
I think I'm even sub to you.
So sub up. No, if you think about it, if we want to hit 4 mil by the end of the year, all we have to do is get 3.96 more subscribers. It's not even that hard. Brandon Levine did it, so we can do it.
Your math is blowing my mind.
That's right.
Alright. I think.
Yes, I trust.
Mm-hmm.
I dropped out in year 12, I know what I'm talking about.
Same, I didn't even do exams. Did you do exams?
No.
Did you, Waters?
Yeah, no.
You did.
Oh, you big bet. Big up, what do you call it?
I was in
I won the numeracy award in VCAL. Is that funny? We got like a year 12 book and it says my name in it for the numeracy award. You know how embarrassing that is?
Big on you. Might as well
I
fucking...
didn't even go to the fucking awards night to get my award because I was that embarrassed.
Bush. What are you gonna put that in your room frame it?
Fucking frame.
I would.
Put it in your Tinder profile.
On my head. Actually,
Yeah.
I would hang that award beside myself in the corner of my room.
No, that would be W Riz. They'd be like, guess what? I just got an award from a numeracy for my VCAL. They're like, oh shit.
I got this certificate twice. They sent me it twice on accident.
That's how good it was.
Yeah, it's like just in case like you didn't realise you won this one.
No, so you got to keep one, and then another one you get to
You gotta give
share it around.
Share.
Why is everything salmon? Like, they had like 4 different options and they were all salmon.
I don't know why you get sushi from there. It's terrible.
I don't even like sushi, I was just hungry.
Well, we already devoured it. Thai sushi's so good.
Like Thai arms to bro.
Yeah, wait, Thai, you fucking stupid cunt. Not his fucking period. He's fucking, he doesn't like Isaac and I that much anymore.
What?
I don't know.
Because of us boys. Fuck
Yeah.
Thai.
Fucking pole boys cunt.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, I'll fucking help you that.
Leopold boys on top, baby.
No shit.
Back shower now because like Ty has a girlfriend,
Ah,
Ed has a girlfriend and lives in Melbourne.
that's hot.
Squinty's he's irrelevant. And then it's Isaac and Nip.
Nip juice. Man, it was fucking hilarious down there.
He's that
Not
good.
even capping.
He's that good to go out with.
Fucking idiot.
He's so good to go out with.
Who's cooking? Oh, that's good. That looks like drinking it.
Remember we always got rolled there? You remember?
Oh, true. Oh, yeah. Oh, you probably.
What?
We almost got rolled there.
When?
By some essays because I was stealing Jim's bike and he was crying.
Oh yeah, I was there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember like
Yeah.
he fucking pulled me off my bike.
I remember Rory bitched him and he just left.
Yeah. It was,
Yeah.
he was hanging behind. He was literally hanging behind everyone. Hopefully Roy doesn't say this. So,
Oh, he will.
and fucking,
Sorry, Russ.
some cunt was chasing me down. I was by myself. I thought I was about to get bashed.
Yeah, I remember
And then he
that.
ripped me off my bike and was trying to fucking
Yeah.
take my bike off me because he thought I stole it. I'm like,
Did he hit your head off or something?
He hit my helmet.
Yeah, yeah. Helmet. I was gonna say, wasn't he?
Yeah, I stole the bike and I also stole the helmet and put it on my head. Fucking idiot.
Wait, and none of them were his bikes, eh? It was yours and Jim's,
It's
wasn't
literally
it?
my
Yeah,
bike.
it was Jim. Is that Van's car? It's Van. That's
Oh,
Van
and
and
Sheldon.
Isaac. Yeah, that's Isaac.
Oh, boys, we got. Wait, no, tell him to come over. I'll ring him.
What the fuck are they doing together?
Tell him we can join a mukbang.
That's Sasabaka. Oh no.
Oh, yeah, Van messaged. Oh, no, I was talking to him.
This is what I do.
Good spot.
Yeah, I think he spotted it. Oh, I'll ring Charlie. He's on his phone.
Oh, he just came back from basketball.
Chat. Quick.
He's on the phone. He's on the phone. I thought that was you talking to him.
No, but I'm ringing him now.
He's calling Van.
I literally just saw like a car and I saw
I
the
don't know
Melbourne.
if you don't spot it.
Yeah.
I saw the Melbourne sign on it. I was like, oh, okay, man. He's like the only fucking person on earth that drives a Subaru Tribeca.
He's literally on his phone, Charlie. Tell him to sell
He's
it.
he's calling someone. I'll drive over.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah.
Who the fuck parks over there anyway? Where's the worst spot to park?
He's on that Van.
Oh, we going.
We'll go fucking run him over. This is
Where'd he go? He just literally despawned.
Yeah, went back to basketball. I should have just drove straight over that.
Oh, yeah, watch out, the phone's gonna fall again. Like it did all those other times. Oh, Chatham's ringing.
For fuck's sake.
Oh, Chatham. We're here. Yeah, you're at Macca's. We saw you walk across. I see you over there. Look, wait, so, no, stand still. No.
The trees in your way.
Yeah.
The trees on their own.
Duck down.
Duck down.
Yeah, hey.
Oh, hang up on him. He's talking to absolutely no one right now. He's still talking.
Yeah. Sure, he's gonna call someone else.
Fuck you, man.
That's true. I know. I look after her son.
You look after her son.
Yeah, I do. What are you doing down here with Vano?
I didn't know Vanna was here. I was coming back from basketball.
Oh, do you drive down here?
Yeah, because I was coming back from basketball.
What's
We always
Vano?
accidentally ran into each other.
Vanno's.
Wait, we're mukbanging.
Yeah, we're mukbanging.
Wait, we're mukbanging.
Mukbang.
Mukbang right
Come
now.
on,
Yeah,
jump
look.
in.
Wait, chuck in the. Oh yeah.
Yeah, true. Van's gonna jump in as well. Wait, we're mukbanging.
Oh, that's my
Are they
drinks.
drinks?
Oh, what the hell? Let's go.
Wait, jump in the video. Wait, have you seen that or?
No, he just came up. I'll
Yeah,
call
look,
the fucking.
he's
Not
calling
calling me
us
right
back.
now.
Yeah, right.
Just like,
Hey, Van.
What about this?
I'm currently in Water's car because Water, Kai, and Kaj are here.
Where's car?
This is literally his car.
Kaj's car, sorry. And
This is what I do. Yes.
we're mukbanging, so let me know when you come out of Kmart.
Minus the
jump,
muck,
jump,
you
in, jump in the mukbang with us.
But plus the suck.
Sweet.
Crickets, bro.
Crickets, yeah.
Crickets.
Do you want to join? Good ciao. Hey!
call me Tyler Brandis. Nah, jokes.
Call me Tyler, here we go.
Well, I'm gonna say Tyler Brandis uses gear on his TikToks and he rates them up as it. Have you seen that?
So when you speak English, come back to me.
No, his TikTok. When people go on his TikTok, they comment like he does gear. He literally rates them as like he's just hanging shit on them.
No.
I'll do that.
No,
Yeah.
I'm too scared.
Oh, he's tiny, bro.
Here he is. Cheers. Oi,
I know you look well.
oi. We were driving on the Port Arthur highway, right, back
Yeah.
to come here,
Yeah.
and some kind of this like Ford Ranger, like he you know, it's like 60 and it goes to 80 because I'm like so-called road works is there.
Yeah.
I was doing 80. I'm trying to go past with like this person.
And it was 60.
But everyone, you know, everyone does 80. Everyone was doing 80. Anyway, I was driving past.
If everyone jumped off a cliff, mate, would you jump off a cliff?
I was doing 80. Everyone followed me. So if I jumped off a cliff, would they jump off a cliff? That's the real question.
Legally,
have to,
after
they'd have
that.
to.
Otherwise,
Oh, he shotted them doing it. So I just shotted it. Anyway, yeah, fuck, what was I saying? Yeah, so we went past and we were at the front, and he like goes into the right lane, and I'm doing 90 and 80, and he's like up my ass, and we're like, what the fuck? Maybe he's just trying to go home. And then we quickly take a right because we want to go to where are we going? This op shop.
What?
And
I'm so confused. What's going
no,
on?
so we're on the Pine Highway,
Yeah, why
right?
though?
To come back here, we were in Geelong, and we came back.
Oh,
come back to
okay.
Leopold, right?
Yeah.
Come this way. Anyway, yeah, he was up our ass. I'm doing 90. Anyway, we turn a right to go to the op shop, and he goes out these windows. He's like, fucking flipped the bird at us,
Really?
and he was
Fuck.
swearing.
Yeah, he fucking, when he drove past us, I looked out the window and he was just like, the fuck you.
Yeah.
Why? What did you do?
Nothing.
Literally nothing.
I was doing 90.
We were going over the speed limit and he was still fucking.
but we had to. I would have fucking. We all would have
And then did
died.
he speed past you?
And he
or
went,
something?
and he's like, "Fuck you."
Yeah.
We're like, what the
You
fuck?
should have run him off the road.
We did then.
A 3
Fucking
4
brake
1
check.
I just pulled out my Glock through my glove box and shot him in the head.
Jump around, mate.
Oh no.
Oh, I broke your cup. Oh,
No, John Moran only shoots 17-year-olds and under. He was a grown man, so.
oh, there we go, we're done.
This is what I do. Why is there so many napkins on the ground?
What the fuck?
Who's that?
Do you have to have food for a mukbang, or have you already eaten?
We had sushi.
Yeah, they had like 2 to 3 pieces of sushi.
What did you have?
Oh.
I had my first Big Mac just then, actually. I should have mukbanged
Your
that.
first Big Mac.
First ever Big
remember
Mac.
we were
just
talking
then.
about that
What
last
the
night.
fuck, cunt?
We were
I
talking
know,
about
how
it last night.
fucking-
I realised I've never had a
Wait,
Big Mac.
Weezy had his first Big Mac last night.
That was
I
cat. Have you
realised-
seen him, bro? That is not his first Big
I
Mac.
realised I've never had one, so I was at
Yeah, have you
Macca's
seen
then. They were
him?
doing the $1.50 cheeseburger deal, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna get a cheeseburger.
Cheese.
And then I was like, you know
I
what?
reckon I've had like 4
I'll get it.
million Big Macs.
I
I was
only
like,
eat Big
you know
Mac
what? I'll have a
burgers.
Big Mac, and I had a Big Mac,
Was it
and all right, I was underwhelmed.
Oh.
It wasn't bad. Like I'd still eat it again, but
Yeah, it's the best burger
Macca's is
at
so
Macca's.
bad now.
No
Fucking, I
shit.
never
it was
had
just
it.
underwhelming. I just
KF is where it's at.
yeah,
KF is the best takeaway out.
yeah. I'm gonna have Macca's tonight as well.
You
So I'm
remember
gonna
this
have my
guy?
last.
Do you
two
remember
Big
this guy?
Macs.
What do you usually go and get Macca's?
Where the fuck's
Usually,
Van?
I
think
get-
Van's with.
This is my go-to meal.
He actually is.
Oh, Van left.
No, I don't
Nice to hear.
No.
His car's not there.
No, it's really fun.
Is it?
No,
There's no
I
way you
literally
draw
don't
him
think
off.
it is. So not having a.
Okay.
Shut him up.
Let me fucking.
Oh, well.
See, I'd heard that. I'll just be the other one.
Yeah, he did. It's not even there.
Oh, what?
It's actually
No,
not there.
It is. It is.
What the fuck?
I was looking. It's behind another car.
Ah,
Different
fucking
car.
hell.
Van is the type of guy though to be honest to just drive off like that.
Where the fuck is someone calling?
Yeah, using Kmarting it up.
What are we doing there? We're gonna
What are we?
fucking get going.
Yeah, what was the Macca's go
What are we doing?
A Macca's go-to
Car.
is a large
Jim's
quarter
a
pound
fucking
meat
KFC. The
with a
fat
vanilla
cunt.
shake
What?
and 10 nuggets.
A vanilla shake.
That's shy. Oi.
That's the go-to, mate.
Actually, like,
How many nuggets? 6 nuggets.
10.
have a geese.
Hey, look out. That's
Why
someone
have to
alone.
get, why have to,
Man,
why
I
do you have
love
to get
bombs.
going?
Because we're gonna be at Johnson's by 4:30.
Are you going to Josh's at 4:30?
He's telling us to be in there by 8:30.
Guess what? I will not be there by 4:30.
Well, we have to be in by John apparently by 8:30.
Why?
Because the event, the thing starts at 9. He says.
Suck my balls. We are not getting in that early. I gotta go home and have a shower and.
What did Gus put in his story?
Yeah, so that.
What fucking cake?
God, fucking Gold Coast and Jam. Gold Coast and Jam.
This is what I do.
How much was it? Like, was it said it was like $400?
Huh?
How much were the tickets to the Coast?
Come on, anytime after 4:30, and we go 10 around 8.
No.
That's so early.
8?
No. We are not going down at 8.
That is
Surely not.
Say
so
9.
He wants to go watch Matt
The
Manley
light,
play.
it'll still be
for some
light
reason.
outside.
Say, can we go in at, what do you say, 8? Say 9:30. This is what we do.
PH event is.
I'm gonna have to get fucking blast. I think he drinks it.
Yeah, I need to get lost.
Who said balloon? Was that Josh, Miles, or Abbott?
Abbott. Miles isn't even going.
Miles not
Oh,
going.
true, one sec.
Someone
We literally
said,
talked
Chatham, I
about
love you. What?
I've got in ticket, love heart. I'm fingered. Chatham, I love you. Oh yeah, because he's got 8 fat pixies. He's got,
What's your fucking YouTube channel called?
having a big,
Is this actually going on the
Mukbang
channel?
Fridays. No, oh, they don't know what it is.
Do it.
huh?
Do it.
No, you don't know. No one knows except Waters. No, there's exclusive content
we got-
coming.
You have to put this on the channel.
No, you should
What?
see what the other
You
shit.
know how mad they'd
No,
get?
you should see the other
It'd be
shit we're
stat
post.
good.
We're gonna
No,
post.
we're
Yeah,
doing,
do
we're
it.
doing, what was it? Vlog Day Thursdays.
Yeah, we're doing fun, mate. That you.
Don't-
This
Yeah.
is a leak.
But don't tell us. Don't tell us. But no, yeah, Vlog
What?
Day Thursdays.
Don't tell them what.
Don't tell them it's a Sunday right now. It's still Vlog Day Thursdays.
We don't even do
Oh.
mukbangs on a Friday. I was
We
waiting
do
for
it on
Mukbang Friday,
Thursday.
you do it on Thursdays.
You already knew that because of fucking
What's that
Ed.
Is that what it's called? Mukbang Fridays.
Yeah.
What's her name? What's
My
that?
bad.
Cody Jerusalem. Yeah.
She walks like a swan as well. Look at that
Yes.
swing that thing.
Yeah. Oh, shit. She went that. She went
Cody
that.
Jerusalem.
Cody Drew. I saw that cunt the other day. It's so
Oh,
fast.
Really?
Yeah, it said was
Oh,
up
it's
today.
you.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, right.
Hello, Tom.
Come out of like,
Oh,
like,
it's so
like the entry where
who's
you
this
went
guy
before,
again?
just walk straight towards Macca's. We're parked like
Oh,
halfway
Jack-
between.
Jack Mulpey.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
There's
it is.
two.
Well,
There's two
like-
of them.
Yeah.
We're
It's
like
like, oh,
right
yeah.
in the middle of the car park.
Check
so-
Mulpey.
Wait, do you have Jack Mulpey on Snapchat, like the other one, the tall one, the
No,
basketball?
doesn't he do like thirst traps?
Yeah, and he put it on.
You're joking.
No, he does on his story, on
Who
his
does thirst
normal.
traps?
Jack Mulpey on his
Oh, yeah, he's
on
that
his
hot,
normal
right?
story, and he pulled it. Did you see his ACL?
Yeah, he actually is meniscus, I think.
Oh,
He,
yeah.
I remember he used to cry all the time in like school.
He has a bitch of a dad. Fucking hate him.
No, his dad's such a good. No, I'm gone.
No,
No, my
he's
vet
n-
teacher last
No,
year.
oh,
He was
he,
that
no,
good.
he's a good.
He calls me
Oh,
Wardy.
there's Van.
Well, there's Van.
He's a good guy. He's not a good teacher.
He's a bit of a
Van!
shit.
Yeah, okay, he can fuck us. Fuck, that was
I'm
loud.
gonna make sure
He has to go on the boot. He has to go on the boot.
Oh, true. I made those drinks. Fuck, what are you drinks tonight?
Huh? We're on a mukbang.
Oh yeah, jump into the muck. Whoa, that's a terrible sound.
Yeah, damn. She's a bit squeaky.
My mouth is bleeding.
Whoa, what just grinded on me?
Hey, mate.
Oh my
Hey,
god,
mate.
it actually is done.
I had to go get shit.
Oh shit.
What'd you get?
I was getting my shirt. It's not.
Look what I got.
Ooh.
Oh shit! Where'd you get them from?
Where did you? Oh, factory.
Factory, yeah.
How much?
That's fucking sick.
Only $80.
Really?
Mm.
Fuck, I need to
I was gonna get
start
jaws.
shopping
They were $100.
Yeah.
Piss off. Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah.
saying.
I was gonna get him as well.
I was like, shit. I could just get jeans for that.
I got
Do you see what
from
Josh said?
Kmart for $8.
What'd you get?
A shirt from Kmart for $8.
Only Van LJ could pull
Is
it
it
off.
drip?
Yeah, it's just like black and it's like grey.
But like a shirt or a t-shirt?
shirt. Yeah.
Like
Clearly, black is the worst color though.
It's like grey, so it's not black.
And why'd you
Oh
say
no, they're moving.
Oh fuck yeah. Shit. I was gonna say some D.
Oh, it's Albert
Wait,
Einstein.
Kaj, why would you say that?
He respawned. It's like
What is it? It equals MC squared, bro. No, is that what it is?
E equals
looking.
C equals MC squared. Oh my god.
Oh, wait, what does E equal?
Just crush my milkshake.
What's he got? Oh, he's got ice creams.
What's he got? That's good.
They look good as well.
Holy fuck.
He's not gonna eat all them.
Should we roll him?
That's what war's gonna look like one day.
What the fuck?
That's a compliment. Smartest man alive. Well, dead. Fuck alive. Someone got his reboot van. The car.
He owns the reboot van.
God,
Picks
yeah.
up little kids in them. Sorry, little Fortnite kids.
Wait, didn't Albert Einstein die, bro?
Yeah, apparently.
Well, yeah, no shit. Anyone would be that smart if you don't touch a woman.
Hey, I'm pretty smart.
You used to be top 5 smartest people I've ever met. Now you're top 5 dumbest cunts.
Yeah, that's fucking. No, I'm not.
What you used to be? I thought you used to be the smartest cunt in that.
I still am. I got the numeracy award. We were just talking about this.
The
What you get?
VCO numeracy
Big
award.
numeracy
You know what the
award.
hardest
Oh, well
question
done. I was
was?
in a book.
10 times
Yeah,
11.
like year 12 book, and it has my name.
Huh?
Oh, what
The
the
hardest
hell?
question on it was 10 times 11.
But I didn't go to the
That's
award night. You know how
111.
embarrassing that would be to go up there.
Is it?
So I
No.
was like, no, I'm not there.
Actually, no, congratulations. That's hard.
Yeah.
10
No,
times
I'm actually a bit of a genius.
Oh, that's the hardest fit I've ever seen.
Chirpy! What is that back?
It's the Drip King. Or Queen.
Actually, you don't know. You don't know.
Yes, Queen.
Just rev it up. I just rev it.
Man, look at this cunt.
Hey.
There are so many characters out today.
He is mukbang ready.
No,
that
do you
guy.
remember him?
He is, that was
Remember he used to walk past my old place and eat an apple every single day?
What?
Do you remember that? Do you not remember that?
No.
We'll be at the front playing basketball and you'd walk past and be eating a green apple
This is
every
going to be
single
terrible
day.
for the viewers to watch because we're just pointing out random people that they can't
True.
see.
Yeah, pull the camera around.
Do we have permission to film?
No.
It's a free country.
Hey.
So today we have Kai, Van, Isaac, Waters, and Van. Kai.
Oh.
How long's the video go for so far?
19 minutes.
So did you come stop here just to have a mukbang?
No,
No, we're in shopping.
we went to town for shop and then come to his parents.
Oh my
I
god!
hit 130 last night.
Waters!
What's your number?
Wait, Waters, what did you say? Gotcha.
Hey. I hit 130 last night, deadlift.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, dope.
Fucking
No
moving like.
straps as well?
Yeah, that was all good.
No, wait.
It's moving like nothing.
Look at it move.
Hey, yeah. Yeah, take
Oh,
a video.
Yeah, video.
No, actually. Wait! Hey!
Oh my god.
Oh, shit, oh.
We actually might go to jail and get cancelled. Nigga. Oh,
gonna come.
Wait, if you think if there's only there's a,
Yeah, the Roby boy. He's with Coastal Jet. He's performing, Gus.
anyway, should we end it?
Oh, someone's
No.
at your carving. Oh no.
I can't like over there.
We've already established that you can't see Van's
I literally can.
Toby, you can't.
No, you
Because you
can't.
thought it was gone.
You see it?
Yeah, but I can now. I just was looking.
I can't really tell. Where
Look at this
Probably
one.
can.
God damn.
I have extra
But you
vision.
got Jorts on as well.
That's a that's a
I swear we just
That's
saw her
George
walk
Russ.
past.
it's literally just a dress.
Anyway,
Oh,
Wait, Jet.
what's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we'll be sucking niggas.
I kind of want to go back into osmosis now. I didn't have a
yeah.
look.
Yeah, that was some good stuff.
Yeah, I want to go back in there. 'Cause
Yeah.
I just got
Nice.
Oh, should we go film
I
this?
haven't seen Chapman Multi. What do you reckon Chapman Multi does nowadays?
Was Nick Hash working?
Yeah, he wasn't happy.
Yeah, we knocked the Dickies logo, cardboard logo thing down because this cunt was trying to throw the George. Well, he wasn't mad. He's like, oh, boys, I'll put it back up.
I got one of those as well. I doesn't do it.
Oh, this does this, I think.
Still vlogging.
Oh yeah. Alright, so